All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today I have this front radiator grill from Arkoshi. And what's pretty cool about this grill is it protects the front grill on the front of your car from any leaves or any sort of dirt and debris from going in. So we've seen a lot of videos and posts of people having to clean the inside of the radiator. So basically you have to take the whole tub of your front trunk out. And then from there, you have to open up the clips for your radiator. And usually there's a ton of leaves, a ton of branches, debris, things like that. So those leaves enter in from the bottom of the car here where the air goes in for the AC in the radiator. So we have this cool cover here. And what I really like about this cover is that the mesh grill that it has to protect leaves from going in is actually able to come out. So you just pop a couple clips here, like so. And when you pop out these clips, you can just remove this piece. You can clean it out with an air compressor. You can wash it down. There's just a mesh grill piece here. Once you clean it, you can put it right back in. So you take it out, you clean it, and then you just snap it right back in. There's just about 4 clips here. I'm doing it just in the air basically, but these all just clip back in, like so. And it's all set to go. There's 4 clips on the back of the grill here. And then we just have a couple pieces of tape that will really keep it held in to the front of the car there. So this should be not even a 5-minute install. It should be like a 1-minute install. I'll take you to the front of the car here and show you how I'm gonna clip this in. First thing I'm gonna do here is use this adhesion promoter just on the 2 sides that the grill will stick to. And just kind of wipe that down to get the dirt off, and that'll help get it to stick better. We can see there's actually quite a few bugs on the sides here, so that should be good now. I'm going to peel the backing of the tape off here, like so. Now that I got the tape backing off, I'm just going to align it with the camera indent here. And it kind of just clips into these little pieces here. So once I align it here, then we know we're pretty good. And I'm gonna get the center in first before I push down on the sides. Make sure it all clicks. So it clicked in there. We got the clips in. And now I'm just gonna push down on the sides here. Hold down for about 30 seconds so the tape can stick. We want to apply some even pressure for about a minute, 30 seconds to a minute. Okay. And now we'll stick on this side. All right, and just like that, it is in now. You can see it's actually a pretty cool design, but it's so nice that we can just remove this mesh panel and clean it up and put it right back in. And there we go. This is some easy preventative maintenance for you. Arkoshi has this on their website for about $50 with my discount code TFIG. Saves you 20%, so brings it down to about 40. And I think it's totally worth it so that you don't have to keep, every year or every other year going into your frunk, taking out the full plastic tub, pulling that out, then opening up their radiator plastic and kind of getting a very thin vacuum handle in there and vacuuming out all those leaves and debris and stuff. So to me, this is totally worth it. Some preventative maintenance that will go a long way with the very little maintenance we have to do on this car. Why not, do the few extra steps to make sure that you really don't have to do much maintenance at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, code TFIG saves you 20% on arkoshi.com. I've got some other products coming from them as well. That's pretty cool. They have some neat stuff on their website, so go check it out. I am uploading videos every other day for you guys on the Model Y Juniper and the Model 3 Highland. I know you guys really love the Model Y Juniper videos. There's just so many things out there for it, so many accessories, so many things to talk about, so many things to do to the car and do with the car. So I really appreciate you guys watching. You can use my referral code down below, which will get you 3 free months of full self-driving if you are thinking about getting a Tesla or getting another Tesla. It really helps out the channel. And appreciate everyone for watching again. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.